How to rotate in Figma. To do this, I have created this rectangle and this text, but this goes for every other element you can put in here. So let's go with the square first. You want to make sure it's selected. And now when you hover over one of the corners, you can see this double-ended arrow, which indicates the rotation. So if I hold and drag, it will rotate in the direction I tell it to go. And if I hold down Shift while I'm doing this, it will lock it in specific increments of 15 degrees. Here you can see the same with the text. You just hover over the edge and now we can rotate it like this. And you can also rotate it in specific increments if you go to the right hand side here and under whatever you have selected, you see this box here. It says rotation when you hover over it. And right now it says 0 degrees, but I can type in 30 and it will rotate it 30 degrees or any other specific increment you need. So that's how you rotate in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.